Some gardens look colorful for only a few weeks. Then the blooms fade and the space becomes quiet again. But certain perennials behave differently. They bloom for long stretches of time and require very little intervention once established. These plants are reliable, adaptable, and widely used in American garden design. They bring structure, color, and seasonal continuity without constant maintenance. In this video, we look at perennials that can bloom from spring into fall with minimal care. First, catmint. Catmint, botanically known as nepeta, is valued for its long flowering season and relaxed growth habit. It produces soft lavender blue flowers that begin in late spring and often continue well into early fall. The foliage is aromatic and naturally resistant to many pests. After the first major bloom, a light trim encourages fresh growth and another flush of flowers. Catmint grows best in full sun and performs reliably in USDA zones 3 through 8. Second, coneflower. Coneflower, or Echinacea, is a prairie native known for its durability. Large, daisy-like flowers appear in early summer and can continue for months. Once established, the plant tolerates drought and heat without difficulty. Seed heads remain attractive in late season and also provide food for birds. Coneflowers grow well in USDA zones 3 through 9. Third, blanket flower. Blanket flower, known as Gaillardia, produces warm red and yellow blooms throughout the summer. It thrives in hot, sunny environments and prefers well-drained soil. Unlike many perennials, it performs well in poorer soils where other plants struggle. Its compact, mounding habit makes it suitable for borders and open garden beds. Gaillardia grows successfully in USDA zones 3 through 10. Fourth, Salvia nemorosa. Salvia nemorosa produces upright flower spikes in deep purple, blue, or pink tones. The first bloom appears in late spring. After trimming spent stems, the plant often reblooms through summer. It prefers full sun and soil that drains well. This dependable perennial grows best in USDA zones 4 through 8. Fifth, yarrow. Yarrow, or achillea, forms flat clusters of flowers above finely textured foliage. The blooms appear in early summer and can continue into early fall. It tolerates drought and hot conditions once established. The foliage adds visual texture even when flowers are not present. Yarrow is hardy in USDA zones 3 through 9. Sixth, black-eyed Susan. Black-eyed Susan, known botanically as Rudbeckia, is one of the most recognizable summer perennials. Bright yellow petals surround a dark central cone. The plant blooms from midsummer into autumn. It handles heat, humidity, and variable soil conditions. Rudbeckia performs reliably in USDA zones 3 through 9. Seventh, hardy geranium. Hardy geraniums are valued for their long flowering window and adaptability. Varieties such as geranium roseanne can bloom continuously from late spring until frost. The plant forms spreading mounds that work well as ground cover. It tolerates both full sun and partial shade. Most hardy geraniums grow well in USDA zones 5 through 8. Eighth, Agastache. Agastache produces tall spikes of tubular flowers in vibrant colors. Blooming begins in early summer and often continues through fall. The foliage carries a light herbal scent that pollinators find attractive. It prefers full sun and well-drained soil conditions. Agastache performs well in USDA zones 5 through 10. Ninth, Coreopsis. Coreopsis produces bright yellow or golden flowers that resemble small daisies. The plant begins blooming in early summer and continues for many weeks. Regular deadheading helps extend the flowering period. Its airy growth habit allows it to blend easily with other perennials. Coreopsis grows well in USDA zones 4 through 9. Tenth, Scabiosa. Scabiosa is known for its distinctive, pincushion-shaped flowers. It blooms steadily throughout the warmer months. The plant prefers sunny locations and soil with good drainage. Deadheading helps maintain continuous flowering. Scabiosa typically grows well in USDA zones 3 through 7. Perennials that bloom across multiple seasons create rhythm in the garden. They reduce the need for constant replanting and simplify maintenance. Over time, these plants establish strong root systems and become even more reliable. A thoughtful selection of long-blooming perennials can keep a garden colorful from spring through fall. If you enjoy calm, practical plant breakdowns like this, subscribe to the channel. New videos explore reliable plants and long-term garden structure.